Luxury brand names Capri Holdings and Tapestry both jumping today. The FTC's bid to block the merger of the two companies headed to trial today, and one options trader is betting this deal will prevail in court. Mike Khouw has the action on this one. Mike.
Yeah, so Capri traded a little over 2 times its average daily options volume, and all of the unusual activity was associated with just 2 trades, and the one you were alluding to was the larger of the two. So basically, we saw 5,000 risk reversals trade in November. It was the 22.5 45, selling the 22.5 puts and buying those 45 calls. The trader paid $1.90, so about 5% of the current stock price. And the way to think about that is that if the deal does go through, goes to the cash price of 57, then they're going to get a payoff of about 4 to 1 on the premium spent. Downside, of course, would be that they'd effectively own the stock at that lower put strike that they sold. But that, of course, would actually be a price lower than the stock was trading even before this deal was announced.
Yeah. Karen, you actually flagged this trade.
Yes, I love that trade. And I wish I could have done that trade. It moved a lot during the day. It's probably not terrible after, but the chance of this working out, them putting up the $1.90 and it turning into 12, I think there's a very reasonable shot that happens.
Yeah. Mike, you also love the trade.
I do, yeah. I mean, and just for the reasons that Karen was just talking about. First of all, I mean, a 4 to 1 payoff. I mean, it's a little bit flimsy when you kind of think about antitrust concerns, that it's really where the government should be spending its time and attention trying to protect affordable luxury leather goods. I would have to think that there would be better applications of the government's time and resources. But of course, just look at the trade itself. The fact that you would own the stock at such a substantial discount to where it was trading even before this deal was announced seems like a relatively low risk to me to the downside.